Hello and welcome back to CryptoPoint. In today's video, we'll discuss some cryptocurrencies that'll skyrocket in value by 2022. If you find out which ones, keep watching till the end. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos. That said, let's begin. A cryptocurrency is a digital, encrypted, and decentralized medium of exchange. There is no central body that administers and sustains the value of a cryptocurrency, unlike the US dollar or the euro. Instead, these responsibilities are divided throughout the internet among the users of a cryptocurrency. Although most individuals invest in cryptocurrency since they would in other assets such as stocks or precious metals, you may use crypto to buy conventional goods and services. While cryptocurrency is a fresh and interesting asset class, investing in it can be risky because you must conduct extensive research to properly comprehend how each system operates. Satoshi Nakamoto first proposed Bitcoin as a peer-to-peer electronic cash system in a 2008 paper titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. An electronic payment mechanism based on cryptographic proof rather than trust, Nakamoto said of the concept. This cryptographic proof takes the form of verified and recorded transactions on a blockchain. Cryptocurrency may have started out as a maverick-dominated Wild West of investment, but it's now firmly entrenched in the financial mainstream. Even in a year defined by volatility and governmental crackdowns in China and elsewhere, institutional investors and major banks consider it as a serious asset. Despite the volatility, many cryptocurrency investors are still looking for the next big payday. Continue watching the video to find out which cryptocurrencies are poised to take off in the near future. 10. All Sports. SOC stands for All Sports and is a cryptocurrency that runs on Ethereum network. The current supply of all sports is 1,500,000,000, with 1,499,999,999.6973062 in circulation. All sports' current price is $0.00176051 US, up 4.92% in the previous 24 hours. It's currently trading on 9 active exchanges with a 24-hour trading volume of 242,943.69. 9. Eternity. Eternity, or AE, is a blockchain platform focused on high-throughput transactions, solely functional smart contracts, and decentralized oracles. It was formed in 2017 with the goal of improving scalability of smart contracts and dApps, sharding and off-chain contract execution to minimize inefficiencies in the crypto market. The Eternity chain's Turing-complete smart contracts enable for transaction execution without the use of third parties or intermediaries. Eternity also offers state channels, which allow for off-chain smart contract settlements that only touch the blockchain if there is a contract disagreement, thereby functioning as a self-arbitrating crypto judiciary. The Eternity blockchain is also constructed on cutting-edge cryptographic data structures, resulting in high efficiency, security, and the elimination of single point of failure or SPOF problems. 9. Blockster. The Blockster ecosystem, as well as its high-traffic platform, are powered by the BXR token, which is an advertising token. The value of the token is directly proportional to Blockster's expanding advertiser and user base. With a 24-hour trading volume of $175,047 US, the current Blockster price is $0.219356 US. 7. PlayDApp. PLA is a digital asset used in the PlayDApp blockchain gaming ecosystem to buy and sell NFT products and games and on the worldwide C2C marketplace PlayDApp.com. Including a 24-hour trading volume of $50,196,231 USD, the current PlayDApp price is $1.72 US. There are 241,594,277 PLA coins in circulation, with a maximum supply of 700 million PLA coins. 6. Polygon. Polygon, like many others in this list, is a network designed to keep the blockchain business running smoothly. As the technology gets more widely utilized, the quantity of active users will present concerns for some of the largest networks, such as Ethereum, a proof-of-work network. Even scalability play Solana has seen technical difficulties. Polygon uses Layer 2 scaling to avoid any bottlenecks in the future. The Ethereum network is supported by Polygon. It accomplishes this by acting as a layer on top of Ethereum. Users can move their transactions from the Ethereum chain to the Polygon chain using Polygon. It reduces the amount of traffic on the main network. Polygon can also provide very reduced transaction costs to its users as a result of this. Users move transactional data by one chain to another in a variety of ways when using a Layer 2 solution. Polygon, in fact, provides 10 different tools for doing so. The network just implemented the Polygon Zero function, which uses zero-knowledge roll-up technology to efficiently transfer data across networks while using minimal energy. 5. Ripple. Ripple had been dealt a poor hand in 2021. The Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC, has filed a lawsuit to restrict Ripple trading on U.S. exchanges. Even if this isn't a deterrent, the suit deters potential investors who don't want to invest their money into a firm that's in trouble. Nonetheless, some investors are quite enthusiastic about Ripple, seeing it as a path to the fate of international money transfer. With signs pointing to the suit's end in 2022, Ripple could be in a position to make up for lost time. Users may send international money transfers in a matter of seconds using Ripple. It's as easy as converting a fiat to XRP, transferring that XRP to the receiver, and having them convert the XRP into a currency of their choice. The network has the potential to topple the world of international wire transfers as we see it, and its XRP token will play a significant role in this. Ripple has given up many of the significant advances the sector has experienced this year, since it has been mired in a legal battle for the whole calendar year. Yes, its 81% pricing is greater than the 22-cent price it started this year with. Ripple, on the other hand, continues to keep investors informed of developments, even conducting a summit event last month. It's now planning to hopefully end the SEC suit. Indeed, the network has a leg up after the SEC was required by the court to prepare a letter defending information it retains confidential under the Deliberative Process Privilege, or DPP. If it's unable to do so, Ripple may be able to emerge victorious from the courtroom sooner rather than later. Nevertheless, this may result in a price explosion. 4. Flux. Flux is the smallest crypto in this list, but don't overlook the network. Flux is certain to be among the next cryptos to burst in popularity as Web 3.0 becomes more mainstream. The network, dubbed the Amazon Online Services of Blockchain, is poised to take on even the most powerful web service providers. The Flux network is competing with Amazon Web Services, or AWS, with its own product suite. But instead of software as a service, Flux offers blockchain as a service. From a performance standpoint, the variations aren't substantial to the end user. DOS products, on the other hand, allow users to take advantage of the benefits of both cloud computing plus distributed public ledgers. Flux's Flux OS can do the same services that AWS can for large areas of the internet. It can operate oracles, allow users to host servers, and allow anyone to store data, no matter how confidential. Most significantly, it appears to be dependable. Flux nodes, which maintain the network functioning, can be run by users. Users are connected to BOS services through nodes, and thanks to a global distribution of Flux node operators, users can be connected to the quickest nodes possible using geographic recognition. Of course, everybody who uses the internet in recent weeks has heard about the AWS failures. AWS experienced 2 disruptions in December. Massive portions of the internet were down during these outages, prohibiting users from accessing several of the most popular social networking and e-commerce platforms, and also online gaming servers. These outages would be a relic of the past in a world where Flux is widely adopted, due to the hordes of Flux node operators that work to support the service. 3. Decentralized. The metaverse is one industry that'll undoubtedly continue to flourish in the coming year. The metaverse may not appear to be necessary. After all, it's a virtual area where people can do many of the same things they can do in real life: play games, socialize, listen to live music, and so on. But it's a space with a lot of support from not only the blockchain industry, but also big tech. Facebook's rebranding to Meta Platforms is confirmation enough of that. If a tech behemoth with a market price of over $1 trillion and a storied history that has produced movies about its origins is rebranding an industry of this magnitude, that sector will survive. This strengthens the case for Decentraland's Mana token as a cryptocurrency to keep an eye on in the coming year. While the metaverse has a lot of Silicon Valley support, many people want it to be decentralized. They don't want Meta to become involved in virtual reality. They want it to be created by and for the people. Decentraland is leading the way in this approach for investors. 2. Solana. Solana is already one of the most obvious 2021 victors. The Sol coin has exploded in value. Individuals who purchase it at $1.40 in early January are sitting on a 13,000% profit. The major advantage of Solana is its scalability. As blockchain becomes more widely used by internet users, there will undoubtedly be an increase in data transfers on these networks. Some networks are simply better at handling higher transaction volumes than others. Solana's one of these networks, and it's taking advantage of its expanding use. 1. Ethereum. Ethereum, often known as Ether, is the second largest cryptocurrency in the world after only Bitcoin. It's implemented a big upgrade earlier this year that included limiting the quantity of Ether, which is currently at 118.82 billion coins. The upgrade also improves the Ethereum network scalability and lowers transaction fees by allowing it to handle more transactions per second. So that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, let's know in the comments if you're going to invest in one of these currencies.